In algebra, we have what are called algebraic expressions. An algebraic expression consists of one or more algebraic terms in a phrase that may include variables, constants, and operating symbols such as plus or minus signs. An algebraic expression is only a phrase, not a complete sentence. Therefore, it does not include an equal sign. To simplify an expression, we must remember that only like terms can be grouped together in order to be added or subtracted. What do we mean by like terms? We mean terms that have exactly the same variable. For example, 2jk and negative 3jk are like terms because they both have j and k in common. On the other hand, 3am and 10amt are not like terms. Although they both have a and m in common, the second term also has a p. How about 15ahg and 2hga? Are they like terms? Yes, they are, as the variables are exactly the same. Note that the order of the variables does not matter. In order to simplify 3a plus 7a minus 15a, we note that all the terms have the same variable, a, and therefore can be grouped. In order to find the answer, we have to add or subtract the coefficients. The coefficients are the numbers which appear before each variable. So 3 plus 7 minus 15 equals negative 5. And therefore, 3a plus 7a minus 15a is simplified to negative 5a. What about 4am plus 10ad minus 7am plus 2ad? In this example, we have two sets of variables, am and ad. So how do we go about grouping like terms? Let us rewrite the expression putting like terms together. 4am plus 10ad minus 7am plus 2ad becomes 4am minus 7am plus 10ad plus 2ad. Notice that when we move the 7am, we also move the minus sign. The sign is like the head of the term. When we walk towards the door, we don't leave our head on the couch. In the same vein, when we move a term within an expression, the sign in front of it moves with it. Now that we have grouped the like terms, we can simplify the expression to negative 3am plus 12ad. Note that the expression cannot be further simplified because we now have two unlike terms. Let's look at another expression. 4 times a minus 3d plus 8a. In this example, we have brackets. So let us look quickly at what to do with our brackets. In order to remove brackets, we apply the distributive law. This law instructs us to multiply each term inside the brackets by the term that is outside. So a times b plus c is equal to ab plus ac. Now back to our example. 4 times a minus 3d plus 8a. In this example, we are going to multiply the two terms in the bracket, a and negative 3d, by the term outside, the 4. This gives us 4a minus 12d plus 8a. The 8a has not changed as it is not inside the brackets. Now that we have removed the brackets, we can continue as in the previous examples. So we group our like terms. Therefore, 4a minus 12d plus 8a becomes 4a plus 8a minus 12d, which can be simplified to 12a minus 12d. To simplify 2 times 2am plus 3xy minus 5 times am minus 2cd, what would we do? In this example, we have two sets of brackets. Again, we apply the distributive law. So we get 4am plus 6xy minus 5am plus 10cd. Note that in expanding the second bracket, we multiply the terms inside by negative 5. Remember, the sign is like the head. Did you know that there are fractions in algebra? Indeed, there are, and they are treated just like regular fractions. So for example, if we are to simplify a over 5 plus a over 10, we first find the LCM, which is 10. We then divide the LCM by the denominator of each fraction and multiply what we get by the numerator. So, 2a plus a over 10. Since the numerator has like terms, they can be simplified to 3a over 10. What would happen in the case of an expression like 3 over 7b minus 2 over 3b? As in the previous example, we start by finding the LCM of 7b and 3b. That would be 21b, since that is the lowest term that both 7b and 3b can divide into. The expression would therefore simplify to become 9 minus 14 over 21b, which can be further simplified to negative 5 over 21b. Let's simplify another expression. 3x over 5y plus 6y over 8x. The LCM of 5y and 8x is 40xy. Applying the same principle, it would simplify to 24x squared plus 30y squared over 40xy. How would you simplify an expression like 2x plus 3 over 4 minus x minus 2 over 3? Again, we find the LCM, which in this case is 12. Then we divide the LCM by each of the denominators and multiply the numerators. 3 times 2x plus 3 minus 4 times x minus 2, all over 12. This is equal to 6x plus 9 minus 4x plus 8 over 12. To complete our simplification, we have to, as usual, group our like terms. 6x minus 4x plus 9 plus 8 all over 12 would be equal to 2x plus 17 over 12. So now that we know how to simplify algebraic expressions, we will move on to solving linear equations next. Until then, I am Renee Brown.